This is lesson 1, how to install WordPress. As you can see, we're on the WordPress.org website. This is where we're going to download all your free WordPress plugins later. It's also where you can learn a little bit more about the content management system itself. But for right now, I just want to show you that you can get a copy of the latest WordPress installation from here. You just download the files. The only thing is, you have to go and install them somewhere, and I don't want you to have to deal with that. So if you work with a WordPress-friendly web hosting provider like I do, which is Bluehost, they should have a one-click WordPress installation option. In that case, what you want to look for is something like this, where it says Install WordPress. And what's great about this is your web host is going to take care of everything for you. They're going to input all the details. They're going to install WordPress. They're going to get you set up so that you don't have to think about anything or deal with the server or your databases or anything like that. It's going to take care of every single step. So all you have to do is enter your domain name. And if your domain is attached to your web hosting company, that's easy. Just select the one you want to build the website on. Bluehost, or whoever your web host is going to automatically provide you with credentials to get into WordPress, which is really convenient. Here, you can change the site name. For me, I'm building a cafe website for my dog. Bluehost has given me a username, which is based off of my email address. They've also given me a secure password. It's secure. It's not secure enough. So what I'm going to recommend is you use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Just make it as complicated as possible so that hackers can't get into your website. Then check all 3 of these options and click the next button when you're ready to move on. As you can see here, Bluehost is working on installing WordPress for me. So while this is going on for you, just let the browser work. Don't exit out of it. Don't try and do anything else and multitask. Just wait. It'll take maybe a minute or 2 to get this fully up and running. Now, it's asking you if you want to continue browsing the marketplace. You might not have this option with your hosting company, but that's not what you want to do. You want to get right into WordPress so you can start building. So click on here. And you can see Bluehost is providing you with all the credentials. This is your new domain. It's your WordPress domain where you're going to log in and build everything for your website. It's going to give you your username again. It's also going to remind you about your password. So go ahead and copy your password in case you don't have it memorized, and then click on this link. You're going to automatically be redirected into your WordPress installation. So this is the login screen for everyone. Unless you have a developer who's customized it for you, this is what everyone sees. So go ahead and enter your credentials and log in. Welcome to WordPress.